Like every year, Zepp Health, formerly Huami, will present the new generation smartwatches. This year, it's up to number 5, and therefore we expect the Amazfit GTR 5 and GTS 5. But how will they be done? For the moment, there is nothing official about it, but within the FCC portal, we have found traces of a new device. For the moment, the device name is unknown, but the model number of this Amazfit is A2292. Let's see what it's about. The FCC filings provide a sneak peek into the potential specifications of the Amazfit GTR 5. The A2292 model, equipped with a 440 mAh battery, boasts a circular and athletic-looking body, featuring both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. On the other hand, the A2294 model shares a similar circular body and metal case design, but includes only Bluetooth connectivity. This image, extracted from a diagram found within the certification, depicts a smartwatch housed in a round case with dimensions of 45 by 45 by 12 millimeters. The design suggests a sporty and streamlined appearance. Based on this observation, we presume it to be the Amazfit GTR 5. Had it been a GTS 5, the case would typically be square, aligning with the design of previous models. Initial impressions suggest minimal alterations, but a closer inspection of a sketch reveals a noteworthy feature: 2 crowns or buttons situated on the right side. This subtle detail may mark a departure from the GTR 4 model. Building on the successes of its predecessors, the Amazfit GTR 5 is anticipated to bring several improvements to the table. Based on current technical innovations and user requests, potential enhancements may include 5G to ensure faster and more stable connectivity. There will be more customization options for dial design and materials for the strap, allowing users to personalize their devices. We will get an improved user interface for greater ease of use and accessibility. There will be new health tracking features, such as more accurate sleep tracking and detection of oxygen levels in the blood. The watch will offer prolonged battery life to ensure durability, even with intensive use. Amazfit will provide more frequent software updates and improved integration with smartphones. The dimensions and design of the upcoming device hint at its potential inclusion in the GTR series. It rules out the possibility of being the rugged Amazfit T-Rex 3 or Falcon 2. There is a slight chance it could be the Stratos 4, a follow-up to the Stratos 3, known for its premium sports smartwatch capabilities. As the countdown to the end of confidentiality clauses begins, the tech community eagerly awaits official announcements from Zepp Health. The Amazfit GTR 5, if indeed the speculated identity, promises to build upon the strengths of its predecessors, offering users a feature-rich and stylish wearable experience. Stay tuned for further updates and an official unveiling of the Amazfit GTR 5.